All right, hey there, guys. Had a couple of you get hold of me through Remind or through email and just bring up a couple problems that on the 9.4 homework that you had issues with. So I'm going to shoot just a couple different videos here going through those. That way you don't have to watch the whole video to see all four. So there's going to be four videos coming here. The first one is number 33. Again, this is on lesson 9.4. All right, so I've got it up here. It's 3k squared equals 6k. So again, the first thing that I want to do with this is get it equal to 0. So if I subtract 6k from both sides, these aren't like terms, so I can't do anything with them except just rewrite them how they are. So on the left-hand side, I get 3k squared minus 6k. And now it equals 0, which is kind of what I want. Get that cursor out of the middle of my face here. And so now I want to factor, again, that distributive property backwards. So I look at what terms or what factor both of these terms have in common. So first I look at the numbers 3 and 6. They both have a factor of 3. And then k squared and k both have a factor of k. And so now I'm looking at undistributing this. So 3k times what would give me 3k squared? That would be 1k, or you might just write k in there. And if I cha-ching this, 3k times what would give me negative 6k, and that should be minus 2. And again, I can always check it if I distribute it back through. 3k times 1k gives me 3k squared, and then 3k times negative 2 does give me negative 6k. But now I've got it factored, I've got it set equal to 0, I'm ready to use the zero product property, which basically says if I multiply two things and get 0 as an answer, one of those two things has to be 0. So either 3k equals 0, or and I'm going to write this just a little bit differently. K minus 2 equals 0. 1k plus negative 2 is the same thing as k minus 2. Just going to make it a little bit easier to work with. But now what I've got are two equations that I should be able to solve. Actually, they're two kind of one-step equations. So I get one solution of k equals 0, and then I add 2 to both sides here. I get another solution of k equals 2. And again, I love equations because you can check and see if you've got the right answer. Both of these should make the original equation true. Let's just check that out. So if k is 0, this would be 3 times 0, which is 0, equals 6 times 0. Yep, that works. If k equals 2, this one will be a little more interesting. Do the exponent first. So 2 squared is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. And again, plugging in 2 over here. Oh, look at that. I get 6 times 2. I get 12 equals 12. So pretty sure that we got the right solution there. All right. So hopefully this helps on 33. Again, keep checking those answers on the answer document, because all I'm doing when I check your homework is just check for completion. If you guys have questions, I'm kind of counting on you to get hold of me through Remind, through email, and then we can go through those a little bit more specifically. But here's number 33 on section 9.4. All right, take care, guys.